Aerials, white, yellow, but black in the rain. Don't fret, no pain, they'll be back again. That fluff looking plump, it's the eyes of this fly. Tough beast with the spines coming out of the sides. Whoa, stop, hold up, don't water that soil. There's no aeration, gonna waterlog for a while. Where's your pumice, where's your perlite? That thing ain't gonna drain. If you don't make amendments, shit's gonna feel some pain. This is a CacRap, it's not a crap rap. It's not a cut crap, it is a CacRap. This is a CacRap, it's not a crap rap. It's not a cut crap, it is a CacRap. This is a CacRap. It's too late, the heavy rain went and came in last week. Lowly Cac's been sitting there with cold wet feet. The rust sets in, trickles up the core from the base. It's too late, it's on its side, the Browns won this race. The time's past where care could have gone so far. Instead all you heard were cries. Yeah, nah, she'll be right, ain't always proven to be tight. The Cactus lost this fight. This is a CacRap, it's not a crap rap. It's not a cut crap, it is a CacRap. This is a CacRap, it's not a crap rap. It's not a cut crap, it is a CacRap. This is a CacRap. Spirits rise sky high when you find a surprise. Clean, green, mean, aerial to cut from the side. Slide that bitch clean graft onto some PC and watch in awe a pup begins to break on free. Blue skin, hard notches, tall, flickery machine. Stunning beauty holding powers that cannot be seen. But now just rest, friend, continue to grow. Produce all your fruits, put on your best show.